Francesca's mini vlog. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hello guys, this is my vlog and this vlog is all about myself, me and I.
How much I appreciate myself.
I appreciate myself a lot because I know lahat ng pagsubok ay narito pa din ako nakatayo, lumalaban sa lahat ng pagsubok ng may lakas ng loob. Kaya that's how I appreciate myself a lot.
How much I believe in myself.
Nagtitiwala ako sa sarili ko ng sobra because I know I'm strong and alam ko lahat ng pagsubok ay kakayanin ko kahit gaano man kahirap at alam ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko, lagpasan ng lahat. And that's how I believe on myself.
How much do I value the things I have.
Pinapahalagahan ko ang mga bagay na mayroon ako because I appreciate all the things that I have. And I know all the things that I have is from the Lord, our God in heaven. And that's how I appreciate all the things I have.
Trivia about myself.
My main uniqueness was my name, Princess Francesca Soriano Robes, because I'm the only one person that have that name. And at a very young age, nung bata pa ako, like I'm 5 years old, dun ko na-realize na I'm good at cooking and was funny because when I left alone in our house, I dance even though there's no music.
My likes.
I like to eat sour foods like santol, mangga, and sampalok. And also, I like to belong with the people na totoo sila sa sarili nila. And also, I like to eat vegetables except okra.
My dislikes.
I don't like to encounter people who backstab others and backstab especially me. And I don't like to encounter people that selfish. And I don't like to eat okra even though kahit pa masarap ang luto. I love praising God every day and every moment of my life. Sambahin siya gamit ang boses ko na ipinagkaloob niya sa akin sa pamamagitan ng pagkanta sa kanya. And also, I love my